Hey guys, what's up? It's Melanie. Here we are at my store, Windmill Vintage Designs. We're in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we just got through Christmas. So excited about that. We got all the Christmas stuff put away, but I have to say the store is looking a little bare. I found a super cool antique brass bed. I have that set up, but I need some end tables. So today we're gonna go ahead and build some. I was on my phone looking through and I found some cool plans. I'm gonna go ahead and put the plans to it in the comments below, but here we go. Let's do them together. Okay guys, today we're using 1x6 pine. We're gonna go ahead and start making our top, which is going to be measured at 20 inches. We're gonna cut 3 boards. Now we're gonna start our middle shelf. So we're gonna need 3 boards cut at 15.5. To make the sides of our little nightstand, we're gonna need 6 pieces cut at 6 1/4. So now we have everything cut that we need. So we have 3 boards at 20 inches, we have 3 at 15.5, and 6 at 6 1/4. Now we're gonna use our Kreg jig to put jig holes everywhere. That's what's gonna hold all of this together. Here we go. Hang out with me till the end of this video so I can show you my store, and you might even get a little glimpse of Hamish. So the first thing we need to do is adjust our Kreg to our wood. So these boards are 3/4 inches. So we're gonna adjust everything on here to 3/4. On the side right here, it says board thickness. You just adjust this little guy to 3/4 right there. Tighten up your little dude. Now we need to do this. So you take your Allen wrench and you loosen this. You put it right in here. You put it right like that. Push that up. And that's where it's going to be tightened. So let's start with our top. Those are our long boards, our 20-inch ones. First thing we're going to do is measure it, find halfway, which is 10. We're going to mark that there. And then we're going to go ahead and measure 4 inches in from either side and give that a mark. I highly recommend the Kreg jig if you want to build anything. It's a really easy way to make pocket holes. I'm going to go through this, but don't forget to look in the comments below. The exact plans are going to be there. There'll be a link, okay? So this one is our middle board. We measured it at 15.5. We're going to go halfway. And we're going to go in 3 inches on each side. So you can see here we have pocket holes on the middle board, which are going to hold our 2 side boards, and then on the ends, which will hold it to the shelf itself. And I'm going to do the same on all my little side boards. While I'm freezing my tush off outside, look what's going on in here. All right, so now we're going to hook it together. Got our glue. We've got 1 1/4 inch Kreg screws. Got a Kreg bit, drill. All right, so let's see if we can do this. Those little pocket holes will hold all of this together. I'm going to try to get it nice and flush and tight, and they'll be on the underside so you won't see them. Now we're going to assemble our sides in the same way. And our last piece here, we're gonna get that one done, then it's gonna be time. Now that our pieces are assembled, I'm gonna go ahead and sand them so they're nice and smooth and everything looks as flush as it can. Okay, time to start assembling. So you lay your top down. You're gonna take your sides, you're gonna measure 1.5 inches in, put some glue there, and hook both your sides on either side with your pocket screws. Now that we have our sides on, we're gonna apply our shelf. So we're gonna put glue on either side, and it should slip right in between our two sides. Then we'll hook it in with the screws. All right, it fit. What do you know? Okay, so now we're going to put our little leg brackets on. These are angle leg brackets because we're going to have our legs go at an angle. And we're going to go ahead and screw those on. I measured 3/4 of an inch from either side. That way they're all positioned the same. And now we're just going to screw all our legs in. With one of the small pieces that I had left over, I decided to add a little cabinet little door thing. So I had a hinge and I just went ahead and added that in there. I think it added a little bit of something. Dark and Decrepit is absolutely the best stain. It's water-based, so it dries really fast. It doesn't have any odor. I like to dilute it a little bit, just add a little bit of water to it and go ahead and just paint it on. It looks great, soaks into the wood. You can still see some of the grain, and yeah, it's just good. Decided to paint the body of my piece with crinoline. It's a great creamy white, and it covers with one coat. We're just about done. Now it's time. We're gonna go ahead and seal it up with Big Top. So I'm just gonna open this. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, if you need any of these cool products, you can find them on my website at windmillvintagedesigns.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you soon. All right, so here we are. We're all done. We made a cute little nightstand, kind of mid-century, pretty fun. Check it out. Thank you guys. See you soon.